Hello guys, welcome to Logic's Hub. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 9 square divided by 3 divided by 4 times 4. So how can we solve it? If you are talented, then before watching the video, stop the video and comment of this question. But if you are student and do not know about this type of question, that how we can solve it, so in this video guys I can solve this question step by step. So remember that one rule which is used for order of operation, which is PEMDAS, where P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stand for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. Guys, remember that parentheses have higher priority than other operation, and exponent have higher priority than multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So here firstly we can solve exponent. So 9 square is equal to 81. So I can write here 81 divided by 3 divided by 4 times 4. Now guys, here the next step is that I can rule one rule which is called KCF rule, where K stands for keep, C stands for change and F stands for flip. So I can write it as 81 multiply by 4 divided by 3 multiply by 4. Here 3 and 81 cancel with each other and the answer is 27. So from here in next step, 27 times 4 and times 4. 27 times 4 equal to 16. So 16 times 27 equal to 432. Guys, this is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe to my channel.